Alright, hello guys. Welcome to another trade recap. So today I traded PM session. I didn't trade AM because AM I didn't have time for AM, and I took basically the only model that I trade, which is reversal plays in PM sessions from 2 to 3 silver bullet or IFPGs. This time it was both a protraction, silver bullet, and also an IFPG and a breaker block right here. Also, if you want to call it something, you can call it a fake breakout, I guess. So you can see on the 5 minutes, I guess retail would see this as some sort of support and resistance. So basically, this was a false breakout, but what I call it is AMD, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, ICT concepts, right? And basically, so I came on here and I wanted to see these lows get swept, which happened, and then I wanted to take a reversal. I was thinking of this fair value gap, but we didn't close above, so I waited, thankfully, and we got a deeper retracement. And after that, I took the silver bullet on the 32nd with confirmation with the breaker and IFPG right here. So I didn't wait for the close because I already got this breaker. This is not the confirmed breaker, but at least we got the closure above these bodies, so I was happy with that. And something interesting, we came back into a 5 minute gap right here, and I was kind of worried, or not worried, but I was thinking about the possibility of it coming here, because this is not a balanced price range. And the reason why it is not a balanced price range in my opinion is because on the 5 minute we ripped through, left a fair value gap, but then ripped back higher and didn't really fill it. This is, from what I understand of ICT, this is not balanced. So this is still an imbalance right here. So I expected it maybe to come here, but after I saw this 1 minute that we filled to the tick perfectly in the S&P, this 15 minute, we didn't close below the 15 minute on the 5 minute chart. Oh, on the 5 minute did, but not on the so on the 15 minute, I guess. Oh, sorry. Well, never mind. I basically took it off the breaker, right? Out of the IPG. I just wanted to get this over with. So one trade. And yeah, what I think is interesting is that how often these plays work out for me. Very often this type of setup, which you can just clearly see, like right here, right? Where is it? Okay, but you can see this accumulation. Then we manipulate below it, and then we distribute to these equal highs. So that happens very often, and I have a very high win rate on this. So if I don't trade AM session, I trade this. And I also have a lot of backtest on like silver bullet. So yeah, this is a great trade, A plus for me. Clear draw of liquidity with NQ having previous day's high above it, but we didn't take it. And with the breaker happening on both assets, also on NQ, this 1 minute got filled perfectly as well. I guess one tick below it, yeah, seems fine. And pretty fast coming up into the reversal. So very nice trade. I got $200 from this. Basically 1 hour, even though it is 1.8. I don't risk as much in the PM sessions because I'm still not quite as sure of them. So maybe I should have risked more. Maybe I should have pyramided on this full closure or on this fill. So there's a fill of the FVG, right? You would have the limit order probably a tick above it. So I guess that I should have pyramided there, or yeah, I moved my stop very quickly to this low. And after protraction and rejection, I moved it to breakdown, and a little above breakdown actually. I moved it here, this level. So yeah, and I actually on the 5 minutes, I was at this point in the trade opening of this candle, I moved the stop here, because I wanted to see this 5-minute serve as a breakout, and we already filled it in the 1-minute chart. And my full TP was here. I didn't take any partials because it was just very speedy. And NQ as well. Like, amazing confirmation here, right? But you could have moved the stop here, like immediately on this candle. And I didn't even look at the charts, just because this happened so quickly. I'm not, used to easy trades for some reason. It's been very slow. So I'm very happy about this. Finally, a fast trade, and finally not edging me for 40 minutes just to be break even. So yeah, very good time trading today, and I wish you guys luck. I would expect price to move to previous day's high on NQ, and after that I wouldn't expect anything more. I would expect it to be slow, maybe on the final hour. I would expect again a retracement back into this area. Maybe even the same setup forming right here is possible in my opinion. So yeah, I wish you all good luck in future trades.